Girlies, do you miss your younger self? Kasi ako, somehow nami-miss ko siya. Like, everything is bare talaga. Or bare? Tama ba? Or raw in your mind na parang hindi mo masyadong problema yung life. Na parang you just wanna go back sa pagiging bata ka na wala kang problema kundi matulog ng tanghali, kumain ng tama, or like, sundin mo to, sundin mo yan. Like, that's your only problem when you're young. Pero, in my age right now, na parang bang pinagsaklo ba na ng taon, mundo. Charing. Pero most of us feels that. Like, if you're in your 20s, especially me, I'm almost in my mid-20s. So, parang I feel like, girl, na-overwhelm na ako sa mga bagay-bagay. Anyways, you know what, girlies? This is Make It Happen Girl. I am Joser, a person with a lot of things to say. Oh, I forgot. Make It Happen Girl, a 10-minute podcast here in TikTok, YouTube, and Spotify. So, yeah. So, we're gonna talk about some of my child memories, of course, my younger self, but we're not gonna do some trauma dump here. Just the happy moments. Anyways, let's jump in. So, my earliest memory is, of course, my school. Kidding. I think, yeah, my school. Not totally my school, but my preschool and kinder. I think that's my earliest memory. And I went to, what's the name of the school? Mabini Elementary School in Baguio. Yes, Paul. I think, hindi mo totally laking Baguio ako, pero I think, nung before ako magkamuwang, nasa Baguio na ako. And then nagkamuwang na ako, that's my earliest memory of my childhood na sa Mabini Elementary School po ako nag-aral. Yes, sa Baguio. And doon na rin po ako, totally doon po ako lumaki sa Baguio. Parang doon lang po ako ng daycare and kinder. So yeah, and yung Mabini Elementary School po, baba lang po siya ng SM Baguio. So, yeah. So like, I remember, so nung nag-grade 1 na po ako, nag-transition na po ako to our province sa Abra po, which is north part ng Luzon, I believe. So yeah. But anyways, we're gonna talk about my elementary moments. So now we're gonna talk about some of my funny moments, I think, na nakalist dito. The first one, I think, is van moments. Sabi ko dito van moments kasi I remember this one kasi ang hilig ko maglaro sa labas. Yes po, mahilig po ako maglaro sa labas. And those moments were the days. Tama ba yung sinabi ko? But yeah, sobrang sa ilang moments na yun. Kasi yung van moment na yun, actually, ano pang laro namin? Basta naglalaro po kami that time. It's either tagu-taguan or I think, ano tawag doon yung out-outan? What's the... I think there's another name for it, pero I forgot. Basta, you're just a tag. Yeah, you know that game, tag game. Like you need to tag someone else, and then he's the one taya something. Basta yun. So we went to the inside of the van, and then we started to close the door, locked it, and then start jumping inside since we're not getting tagged at all because it is locked, like lock. And then I think one of my playmates accidentally what you call this, accidentally pull the lever or push something, I think, or the brake, I think. And then the van started to like, ang funny lang nun kasi girl, yung bahay pa namin nun, ay, the garage pala is slope siya. So parang yung van talaga diretso hanggang sa nabunggo siya sa pader para lang ma-stop. So that's one of my family. And nung bata po ako, yes po, laking ilog po ako. And sa ilog po, may mga moments na talaga hindi natin siya mapipigilan. Pero like, that was one of the best thing, I think, na nangyari sa akin. Na totally nangyari sa akin. Or like, I experienced. Kasi, nung bata ako, na-experience ko pa yung sobrang lalim na ilog. Like, girl, yung malulunod na moment na ganun. And I was so happy because I'm a nature girly. I think I'm a nature girly. So that's one of my favorite also, going to the river, especially when we were kids. Na parang we have two houses, which is my father's side and my mother's side. In my father's side, it's more like in the center part, and my mother's side, it's more on the barrio side, or like the far, 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 far away. Basta yun. And my mother's side is near to a river. And then every summer, since it's hot, El Nino, something, something, everything, syempre sobrang dry. So the one thing that we can do to take a bath is go to a river or to do the laundry. So yeah, girlies, naglaba din po ako sa river. Hindi lang po naligo. And pag sinabi ko sa inyo, grabe yung itim ko noon. I swear, grabe yung skin ko before. Sobrang dry, sobrang dark. Dahil nga, girl, sunscreen is not that accessible before, when I tell you. So yeah. And of course, doon na rin po talaga gagawin natin siyang comfort room minsan. And it's one of the funny moments that, pero yeah, it's a nice moment, to be honest, to be in the river and enjoying your being young, enjoying to swim. Basta yun na yung parang one of my most exciting part pag summer na pagpupunta kami sa mother side and then do that. So yeah, masaya. Pinalaki kaming, not in phones, girls, but to play and, explore a lot. Talaga. Ano pa ba? Oh, one of the serious moments pala is yung na-hospital ako, girl, is nung bata ako. Like, parang I think twice or thrice na ako na-hospital. The first one is because I having a high fever, I think. And the second one is dengue. And it was so scary. Like, sobrang, of course, nung bata ko, parang I don't mind the going to hospital. This is just for me, okay? Parang I don't mind going to hospital kasi nga parang andyan naman sila mama or like andyan naman yung mamang sinasabi ko si Mama Flor. So, biological aunt, by the way. So, parang sabi ko, okay lang, dead ma. Kasi, wala lang. Girl, wala to. Parang may nagbabantay naman, carry na yan. Pero growing up, grabe pala ang mga nakaka-experience ng dengue. Like, learning about dengue, grabe pala talaga siya. Kaya be careful, girlies. And, alagaan ang mga bata. So, yan. And ang sarili, of course. So, I think, my latest memory for being young is that sobrang active ko as bata. I don't know why. I still remember yung cousin ko nag-birthday siya, naka-Superman, girl. It's a costume party, so naka-Superman pa ako. Tapos, nung lumaki, gusto na maging Darna, di ba? Parang, girl, what's the connection? Pero yeah, those are the moments lang na naalala ko nung bata pa ako. For sure, marami pa talaga, but those are my favorites. So yeah, girlies, so far, I'm so happy to remember those memories kasi it took me a while to remember those things kasi nga I just want to think happiness as of now because I'm so overwhelmed with a lot of things, to be honest. Na parang ang gusto ko lang isipin is that parang nakakamiss talaga maging bata ulit kasi nga, girl, it's so overwhelming to be adult. I think I'm adult now. Yeah, I consider myself as adult. But yeah. So, yun lang naman, girlies, for this pod. And that's for the pod, girlies. And for the next episode, we're gonna talk about my schools, like my elementary, high school, but not in one video, not one in one podcast. Okay, it's different podcast because this is just 10 minutes, girlies. But yeah, but the next one is we're gonna talk about my elementary moments. So yeah, so that's all for the pod. I am Joser, and this is Make It Happen, Girl. That's for now, girlies. Bye bye. So yeah, girlies, take care, okay? And we'll see each other again. Don't forget to follow I'm